Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best industrial table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grizzly Industrial G0623X. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional seeking precision and power, the Grizzly Industrial G0623X 10.5 HP sliding table saw is an exceptional choice. With dimensions of 45.5 lx 42 wx 41.5 inches and weighing 572 pounds, it offers both stability and robust performance. The 10-inch high-speed steel blade, spinning at 4,000 RPM, guarantees smooth cuts, while the scoring blade prevents tear-out, delivering factory-fresh edges. Its corded electric power source requires 230 volts. Users appreciate its ability to handle large panels effortlessly. Despite minor issues with secondary parts, its performance and value are consistently praised. Moving on at number 4, we have the JET 10-inch Deluxe XACTA table saw. The JET 10-inch Deluxe XACTA table saw, JTS10XL35/1DX, stands out as a top choice for serious woodworkers who demand precision and durability in their equipment. With a 30-inch rip and a powerful 5 HP motor, you'll appreciate its heavy-duty trunnion stability. The Deluxe miter gauge, with adjustable stops and soft grip handles, guarantees accurate cuts. Its chrome-plated handwheels allow smooth movements, while the powder-coated finish resists chipping. Assembly is a breeze, taking about 3 hours. Though dust collection and the anti-kickback mechanism could be improved, the saw's performance with hardwoods is impressive, making it a worthwhile investment. At number 3, we have the Grizzly Industrial Sliding Table Saw. Designed for production shops, Grizzly Industrial's Sliding Table Saw G0623X3-10 stands out as a top choice for those needing precision and efficiency in handling large panels. This 7.1/2 HP, 3-phase powerhouse offers a sliding table, ensuring smooth operation when working with hefty materials. You'll appreciate the scoring blade that minimizes tear-out, delivering clean, factory-fresh edges every time. With its robust build and 4,000 RPM speed, it's perfect for demanding tasks. Plus, it's corded electric, so you won't worry about battery life. If precision and power are what you're after, this Grizzly saw is definitely worth considering. At number 2, we have the dual 10-inch table saw. Looking for a reliable table saw that delivers precision and portability? The dual 10-inch table saw DWE7491RS is your answer. It boasts a powerful 15-amp motor reaching 4,800 RPM, ensuring smooth cuts through various materials. The 32.1/2-inch rip capacity and 24-tooth carbide blade make it perfect for diverse woodworking tasks. You'll love the rack and pinion telescoping fence system for quick adjustments and the rolling stand for effortless mobility. This saw is ideal for professionals like cabinet and trim carpenters. With a 3-year warranty and exceptional customer ratings, Dual's got you covered for all your cutting needs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Grizzly Industrial G0651. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a professional needing powerful and reliable equipment, the Grizzly Industrial G065110 stands out as an excellent choice among the best industrial table saws of 2025. Its 3 HP motor effortlessly tackles large hardwood pieces, delivering precise cuts, especially with upgraded Freud blades. Despite occasional quality control issues like minor dents and tape measure strip bubbling, users appreciate its solid build and digital readout. Be cautious with potential motor failures and shipping delays, though. Ideal for spacious workshops, this saw is a value-packed option, making it a top contender for serious woodworkers like you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.